These AI mini food build videos are taking over Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube right now. Some creators are getting millions and even hundreds of millions of views by turning everyday foods into giant construction projects built by tiny workers. One Instagram page alone has over 239,000 followers, and one of their videos is already sitting at 123 million views and counting. So if you've been wondering how these viral videos are made, you're in the right place. In this tutorial, I'll show you the exact process I use to create them. And the best part is, you can make one in less than 5 minutes. The first thing you want to do is open ChatGPT. Once you're inside, head over to the Explore GPT section and search for AI Mini Food Build Generator. Open it up and click Start Generator. As soon as the generator loads, you'll be presented with 10 different miniature food construction concepts. You can simply choose one of the numbered options, type in your own custom idea, or type more if you'd like the GPT to generate a fresh set of concepts. For this example, I'm going to select option number 7. After a few seconds, the GPT will generate everything you need for the video, including a detailed image prompt and a matching video animation prompt. The image prompt is what we'll use to create our base image, so go ahead and copy it. Next, open OpenArt using the link in the description below. Once you're inside OpenArt, navigate to Image and then click Create Image. From there, select the model settings and choose GPT Image 2. Now paste the prompt generated by the GPT into the prompt box. For the best results, set the aspect ratio to 90:16. Choose 2K resolution and set the quality to medium. You can generate multiple images if you'd like a few options to choose from. Once everything is set, click Generate and let OpenArt do its thing. A few moments later, you'll have several highly detailed miniature food construction scenes to choose from. Here's the result I got. In my case, it generated a team of tiny mining workers mining a massive avocado. The level of detail is honestly incredible. You can see the workers, equipment, textures, and lighting all working together to create that realistic miniature world effect that's driving millions of views right now. Browse through your results and select the image you like best. With your image selected, click Frame to Video on the right-hand side to begin the animation process. Now scroll back up to the model settings and switch the video model to Seedance 2.0. Once that's done, return to the GPT and copy the video prompt that was generated alongside the image prompt. This prompt contains all the motion instructions needed to bring your scene to life. Paste the video prompt into OpenArt. Before generating, make sure the audio toggle is turned on so your video includes sound effects. For the generation mode, select Normal. Then set the output settings to 9:16, 720p resolution, and a duration of 5 to 15 seconds. I will go with 5 seconds. Once everything looks good, click Generate. That's literally it. Within a few moments, OpenArt will transform your static image into a dynamic miniature construction video, complete with movement, atmosphere, and realistic worker activity. Let's preview it. Go ahead and download it. Now, the best part is that you can repeat this exact workflow for virtually any food you can imagine. Orange, burgers, donuts, pizzas, ice cream, cakes, strawberries, cookies, or completely custom ideas. Just generate a new concept, create the image, animate it, and you're ready to post. Here is me repeating this exact method. As you can see, every video follows the same simple workflow, yet each one looks unique and has massive viral potential. And that's the entire process from start to finish. You'll find all the tools, links, and resources mentioned in this tutorial in the description below. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe to AI Pipeline so you don't miss future tutorials on viral AI video niches, automation workflows, and the latest AI tools that can help you grow faster online.